morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. So today again we are going to continue same chapter. So lesson number 5, that is the calculator program, and on page number 4444 of your computer textbook we are going to see today division. How to do division, that is divide. So first of all we will see all the steps and then we will see in calculator how to do. This is the division. Perform the following steps to divide 6060 by 2. Enter the first number 6060. Click on the division slash button. Enter the second number 2. Click on the equal to button. Result 3030 will be displayed in display area. So here is your calculator, that is computer calculator you are using, and digit is 6060 first. 6060, this is the division sign slash, then you are going to do 2. Click on the 2, this is the second number button, 2 you are going to click, then equal to sign, press over here, then you will get your display area and there you will get answer 3030. When you divide 6060 slash sign by 2 equal to sign, here is the answer in display area 3030. So you can do division also with the help of computer calculator. One more thing is here, solving the sum. You can do addition, multiplication and division, but if you want to solve any sum, here is one question. Solving sums using calculator. A chocolate cost sign of rupees 75. Okay, price of chocolate is 75 rupees. Mohan bought 15 chocolate. See, one chocolate 75 and like this 15 chocolate Mohan bought for his birthday return gift. How much should he pay to the shopkeeper? So for price of one chocolate is 75 and 15 chocolates Mohan bought from the shopkeeper. So what will be the payment he has to pay for the 15 chocolate? So here are the steps. Enter 75, first click 7 and 5 number. Click the mouse on statistic button, that is multiplication sign. Enter 1515, this is the price of one chocolate, and like this 15 chocolate 75 rupees. Click the mouse on, that is the equal to button, you will get the result. The result 1125 will be displayed in the display area. This is the computer calculator and price is 7575 multiply 1515 equal to sign, press here display area and you will get answer 1125. That means Mohan has to pay to shopkeeper 1125 rupees, that is 1125 rupees. Now on the next page, next sum on page 45. I have 1534 candies with me. I have to distribute them equally among 13 friends. See, you have 1534 candies and you are going to distribute from these candies, you are going to distribute in the 13 friends. So how much each friend will get candies? So how many candies should I give to each friend? So enter 1534 candies, total candies you have. Click the mouse slash button, that is you are going to divide 1534 candies between 13 students. So enter 13. Click the mouse on equal to button. Result 118 will get displayed in the display area. So here is the computer calculator and you are going to click first 1, 5, 3, 4 division sign, divide between 13 friends, equal to sign, that is the result, display area 118. So one friend will get 118 candies. And next one, exiting calculator program. Now how can I go out, or you can say exit from the calculator program? Now your work is over. So to exit from calculator, click the mouse on the close button. The close button is located on the right side of the calculator window. Okay, see, here is the close button. Just click over here and your program will be closed. See, close sign and your close button you are going to press. You will able to exit from the calculator program. So today we end our this chapter here, and in next class we will do exercise of this chapter. Thank you students. Have a nice day.